Hey there guys, and welcome to my Unreal Engine 4 inventory system tutorial. So I have opened up the project that we were working on before, the voting crime system. If you guys didn't watch that and want to see a voting crime system tutorial, I suggest you will find that in my channel. But right now we will be doing some inventory system. So over here in the third person project, you can see this is the same one. So before I actually do anything, we will need to go inside the third person BP blueprints and create a new folder. And you can name it as you want, but for me that's what I'm gonna do. And inside here you can create a new folder named UI, just so you can put our inventory UIs inside there, inside of this folder. So if you have seen an inventory tutorial, you know we can be needing a structure. And if you don't know what a structure is, it simply is a container for variables. So you can have a lot of variables inside the structure and then use this as a variable. So it is ideal for inventory systems. So let's call this one s underscore and then info. So this is our item information. So everything that goes inside our inventory comes in here. So over here you can see there is a boolean, and you can set a name for it, and you can also add new variables and they will show up in the default value properties, and you can also change them as you like. They will update here. So this is how we will set this up. The first thing we need is the name. Next will be description, and after that we'll need a weight, just say short stack. Next one, amount. We're gonna need another one, will be weight and default weight, because this is something I'm gonna be using. And after that will be item type and image, so thumbnail, and lastly item class. So these are all just and now let's set these up. So the name is going to be text, description text also, should text is going to be boolean, amount is going to be an integer, weight and default weight is okay, thumbnail is going to be texture 2D object reference, and these two I'm just gonna set it afterwards. So first create a blueprint class actor, and this is going to be our item base. So this is going to be the parent item, so all the coding is going to be in this one, and the other ones can kind of just follow along, so we don't really have to edit every single one of the items. So this item class is going to be item base class reference, and for our item type it's going to be an enumeration, so e_item type, and inside of here we're going to create few item types, so yields, steroids, and clothing, armor, backpack, weapon, attachment. So you can add more and more different item types later on, but for now I'll just work with these ones. So over here and in the item type, type in item type, and I'll save this one, close it, and inside our item base BP, add a new variable, set it to item info, and over here search for is_item info, and also make it replicated. As you can see, we have some values here that we can set, and also what I like to do is assign it a category, so info. That way if I go to class defaults, it's under the information category. Now we didn't assign any default values to all of them, so let's just assign them here. Description, stack, notice one, it's also one, and inside our event graph donate these two. Only thing you want to do is grab this one, get it, and then set it, and then from over here set members in item info, then set this one over here. So if you click on this one, you can see there's a default category. And what we want to do is click on this, and then this will show up as a pin. So what you want to do is get the self reference to self, and then get class, and just assign it to this one, and we're good to go over here. So inside our character, create a new variable, call it inventory, and as this one we'll get that item info and turn that into an array. Compile that. So now everything is set. So maybe in the next video we will set up some items and also add them into our inventory. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one. And I'm really sorry if my voice is too low and there is some background noise. I'm not used to talking to myself or record videos. So yeah, goodbye for now.